and I ain't doing it. If you can see up at the top of the driveway, way up there, we have a big, huge tractor here to plow us out. And Jeremy's attempting the best he can to get himself out, and if not, the big tractor is going to come down and give him a little pull. I think he just backed out and got himself stuck in a different spot. He's plowing. I got some shoveling to do. I'm 5 feet tall and I can almost touch the rafters. And they're supposed to be just over 8 feet high. That's not good.
This seems defeating.
I know. You can get rid of my snow.
What's that?
You can just shovel off my snow. I hate this shovel. It sucks.
What?
This shovel sucks.
Does it?
Everything just like falls off and I need a bigger, like a wider one. So as you can see behind us, we got the tractor out.
Yeah, so that's a big, good thing. What it is, when I'm pushing with the bucket there, the tires on the front aren't much good, and I can't get any traction. So I'm pushing myself out with the bucket, but then I still end up spinning myself. Like I can push, and then you end up still like I push out, in, and all that, and it's hard to move around, right? So we got it out, and we actually up here, there's one other guy up here. He's a little ways away from us, but not too far. And he owns a whole bunch of land. He actually has a farm. So he came down and plowed the whole thing out for us. And then, so he did that, which is super awesome. I mean, great guy. And then he left, and 5-10 minutes later, he shows back up with a set of chains for the front tires, because we can't actually put chains on the back. Show you here. Because right here, the fenders are way too darn close. So the chains would just beat the crap out of it. So we're going to throw some chains on the front here, on these ones. And he was saying that would be a lot better. Just that alone, and then throw in some weight. Maybe fill in a 55-gallon thing of 55-gallon pail full of cement or something, and set it on the back here for weight. So we're gonna try that out, but he's got those chains. We tried fitting them on, and they didn't quite fit. But he's gonna sort them out, and we're gonna get those off him. So next couple days we'll throw those on, and that'll be a giant help. So that's pretty cool. We have like a neighbor up here, which is a pretty good guy too. So that's sweet.
So now I'll show you how good of a job he did clearing the driveway for us, because it's like, we have a big storm coming again starting tomorrow, so we really needed it cleared so we can start fresh after tomorrow's storm. I think it's going to be like a 3-day storm, so we'll start fresh on like Sunday cleaning that up.
Yeah, it's like nonstop.
Yeah.
This is supposed to be like hail and stuff, right?
Yeah.
It's getting colder now. It was warm today, and you feel it changing.
Yeah. It's going to start as like rain and then go to snow and hail, and then it's just going to be really yucky for a few days.
Lots of fun.
Yeah.
So get it cleared up pretty good. Man, it looks way better. Huge help. He's got a lot bigger tractor too. But he's got chains on the back, bigger tractor, heavier, right? But man, he cleared it up nice just with the bucket.
So here's the front of the driveway cleared out. This is where we like to park our vehicles if we can't get them down past the gate. Then we bring the tractor up and get all our supplies. Because sometimes it's pretty sketchy.
And then like, you know, but now he's got it all cleared out nice there, and then down here to our gate. And then that there, see where it's pushed to there? That's actually where it loops around where I was saying. And these actually connect in a big loop down past the cabin. Little ways down past the cabin, but it all connects there nice. But man, it's all cleared up nice now, so.
There's the tree that was across the driveway over here now.
Yeah.
Out of the way.
Push that away easily. So we'll get those chains on ours. Maybe get some weight thrown in the back and hopefully be able to keep up with it for a few more storms. And now we can always get him to help us out if it gets too crazy for now anyway.
Yeah.
So that's sweet, big help. So this video is brought to you by Ariat. So this here, I'm just going to tell you about my most favorite work coat I've ever owned. That is not a lie. I love this coat. It's fire retardant, strong. It's like hard to cut this thing. I've been caught up in nails and everything. The pockets are huge, so like my tape just disappears in here. I keep all kinds of stuff in here. Snap buttons, hard to beat the snaps, love those. It's lined. It's like a jacket shirt, but I wear it in full winter. I just layer up. And then having this as my last layer is perfect. Got pockets here, and it's pretty sweet. I just, yeah, I wear it all the time, so you can check it out. Links all below. They sell a whole bunch of other stuff. Lots of work. They have a whole work line. Like Ariat used to be known for equestrian wear primarily, but for a while now they've had a sweet work line, and we love their stuff. You can check it out. All the links below. And there's also a link that you can get 10% off your first order from Ariat. So that is also down below, and that's always available down below. So thanks to Ariat for sponsoring this video. They're a great sponsor. We've had them for a couple of years now, so check them out. They've been nothing but good, and their stuff is nothing but good. Legit. Man, this freaking snow is just
unbelievable.
Stupid. Like, look at it all. I don't know, like here, if you can kind of, it's hard on camera to kind of appreciate like how much snow is here.
Look at this mountain.
Yeah, we were kind of throwing snow out the door right now. And what we were going to do is cut the windows.
Yeah.
And then throw it at the windows.
Oh my land. This is ridiculous.
Yeah. I get this here cleared down.
Should I throw
Here.
it over there?
I'm breaking it with, don't throw it on this. Friggin' just empty this. Like been breaking it up with that because it's pretty solid. The next layer down. But look, no, that's ice there, but that's just, we're almost to the deck, right? It's, well, it braces right there, so it's close. I'm just chucking it here.
I have nowhere to throw it if I don't throw it in your spot.
Yeah, I know. We, yeah, what we're going to do is cut the windows out, but now we're kind of debating against that. Because she's got like a chunk in here too, cleared out. But we were going to cut these out and then throw it out the window. That'd be the best way to do it. And that is what we're going to do. But the problem is that there's a lot more snow coming. And
Every day there's more snow.
man, it's legit like one of those hard years of nonstop snow. It's always a lot of snow, but it's like just like an extra snow year. And anyways, you're gonna throw it out here, but
it seems like a total waste of time shoveling this, and then I know more snow's coming tomorrow. I'm gonna have to come back and shovel again when we could be working on strapping the roof, getting metal on the roof, and preventing the snow from getting in here in the first place.
that's 100% wasted.
So this seems like a really stupid idea.
Why are we doing it? Because we weren't going to do this. Remember, we were gonna finish the roof.
Yeah.
We just kind of like stared at it. We're like, man, I feel like we should probably scoop some out, right?
Yeah. It seems sketchy.
But honestly, it actually started to feel stupid again.
Yeah.
Because I feel like we're gonna just like work ourselves to death doing this for no reason.
Yeah.
And then it's just gonna snow again. I know it just builds up, and you just have more to do.
Yeah.
And yada yada yada.
Yada yada yada.
But also at the same time, every day you spend doing this, look at that stays empty, and it never ends. So you end up every day. You always have to just continuously come here. Then in between nice weather,
Yeah.
plow it.
Yeah.
or shovel, right? And, you know, obviously this is going to take a while. But then even the next time you're going to have another 1.5 feet down here.
Yeah.
So then you shovel that.
Yeah. We literally
And then so
accomplished
on your
nothing.
nice days you shovel,
And
it
plow.
snows, then your nice day you shovel again. So
Yeah.
we're going to go back to the plan we originally were going to do. It's just like the snow takes over your mind. And get this strapped, let it snow,
Let it snow.
and then get that darn metal in there, and then just deal with the snow later, however we
know.
have to. And what I want to do too is what I was going to say about these, that I didn't say. When we cut those, I want to be able to wrap it at the same time.
So instead of spending days upon days of shoveling and then shoveling again and then shoveling again, we get the roof on, cut the windows out, shovel it one time, and then wrap it so that snow can't get in the windows or the roof, and then we don't have to keep doing it. It's over. Finally over.
Nothing is over! Nothing!
Yeah, that's how to do it.
Yes, definitely. Or else it's just redundant and a waste of time.
Stupid.
And I ain't doing it!